Ever found yourself wondering how some companies just get it? They seem to anticipate your needs, personalize your experiences, and generally make you feel like they're speaking directly to you. What's the secret sauce behind that kind of laser focus? Well, today we're diving deep into a concept that's at the heart of that magic: acuity. Now, you might have heard this word before, perhaps in the context of sharp vision or keen intellect. And while those aren't entirely unrelated, in the world of business and technology, acuity takes on a whole new level of significance. Think about it. In today's hyper-competitive landscape, simply having a good product or service isn't enough. Consumers are bombarded with choices, and their attention spans are shrinking faster than ever. To truly stand out, businesses need to possess a sharp, almost intuitive understanding of their customers, their markets, and their own internal operations. This, in essence, is what acuity is all about. But what does it actually do? That's the million-dollar question we're here to unpack. It's not a product you can buy off the shelf, nor is it a single department within a company. Instead, think of acuity as a fundamental capability, a way of thinking and operating that permeates every aspect of a successful organization. At its core, acuity is about sharpness of perception and understanding. It's the ability to see things clearly, to discern subtle nuances, and to interpret complex information with precision. In a business context, this translates to a deep understanding of several key areas. First and foremost, customer acuity is paramount. This goes far beyond basic demographics and purchase history. It involves truly understanding your customers' motivations, their pain points, their aspirations, and their evolving needs. It's about empathizing with their journey, anticipating their future requirements, and building relationships that go beyond transactional interactions. Companies with high customer acuity don't just sell products. They offer solutions and build loyalty. They understand that every customer interaction is an opportunity to learn and improve. Imagine a streaming service that not only recommends shows based on your viewing history, but also understands your mood and suggests content accordingly. Or an e-commerce platform that personalizes your browsing experience based on your past interactions and anticipates your future purchases with uncanny accuracy. These are examples of customer acuity in action. It's about moving beyond surface-level data to uncover the underlying drivers of customer behavior. Secondly, market acuity is crucial for navigating the ever-changing business environment. This involves a keen awareness of industry trends, competitor activities, technological advancements, and broader economic and social shifts. Companies with strong market acuity are not caught off guard by disruptions. They anticipate them and adapt proactively. They understand the competitive landscape, identify emerging opportunities, and make informed strategic decisions. Think about companies that successfully pivoted their business models in response to changing consumer preferences or technological breakthroughs. Netflix, for example, transitioned from a DVD rental service to a streaming giant by accurately reading the market and anticipating the shift towards on-demand digital content. This kind of foresight is a hallmark of market acuity. It's about staying ahead of the curve and identifying potential threats and opportunities before they become mainstream. Thirdly, operational acuity focuses on the internal workings of a business. It's about having a clear and precise understanding of processes, workflows, efficiencies, and potential bottlenecks. Companies with high operational acuity are able to optimize their resources, streamline their operations, and improve overall productivity. They identify areas for improvement, implement data-driven solutions, and continuously strive for greater efficiency. Consider a manufacturing company that uses sensor data and predictive analytics to optimize its production line, minimizing downtime and maximizing output. Or a logistics company that leverages real-time tracking and route optimization to ensure timely and cost-effective deliveries. These are examples of operational acuity at work. It's about having a deep understanding of how the business functions internally and using that knowledge to drive continuous improvement. Beyond these core areas, acuity also encompasses strategic acuity, which is the ability to see the bigger picture, to formulate clear and compelling long-term goals, and to make strategic decisions that align with those goals. It involves understanding the company's strengths and weaknesses, identifying potential risks and opportunities, and charting a course for sustainable growth. Furthermore, financial acuity is essential for managing resources effectively, making sound investment decisions, and ensuring the long-term financial health of the organization. It involves a deep understanding of financial statements, key performance indicators, and the economic factors that can impact the business. Technological acuity is increasingly important in today's digital age. It's about understanding the potential of new technologies, identifying how they can be leveraged to improve various aspects of the business, and making informed decisions about technology adoption and implementation. So, to bring it all together, what does Acuity do? It empowers organizations to make better decisions. By having a sharper understanding of customers, markets, and operations, companies can make more informed and effective decisions. Anticipate future needs. Acuity allows businesses to see beyond the present and anticipate the evolving needs of their customers and the changing dynamics of the market. Personalized experiences. By deeply understanding individual customer preferences, companies can deliver more relevant and personalized experiences, fostering stronger relationships and loyalty. Improve efficiency. Operational acuity leads to streamlined processes, optimized resource allocation, and improved overall efficiency. Identify new opportunities. A keen understanding of the market and emerging trends allows companies to spot new opportunities for growth and innovation. Mitigate risks. By having a clear understanding of potential threats and vulnerabilities, companies can take proactive steps to mitigate risks. Gain a competitive advantage. Ultimately, all of these benefits contribute to a significant competitive advantage, allowing companies with high acuity to outperform their rivals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.